Hey, happy Sunday. I know I haven't put anything on my channel in about a week now. The whole month of February I was doing some gaming videos, and I did one for every day in February, which I'm very proud of. They were pretty amateur. I don't know who's actually going to be watching them, but I figured to go a step further, and I know I was complaining about my laptop a lot during those videos a lot of the times. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I am trying to save up for a MacBook Pro, preferably one with the new M1 chip, because they're phasing out the Intel chips. So I figured this would be a good time to show you how I'm trying to save up some money to buy a new MacBook. So I just want to show you one site today, and it's a site that I've been a member of for I think like 10 years. It's InboxDollars. This is a website. They also have an app, a mobile app. I have the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and they have a really great app that you can download right from the App Store, and I believe Android has one too. So I'm just going to show you really quickly how you go about signing up for InboxDollars and what you get paid to do, because there's a lot of different activities that you can do in your spare time if you want to earn a little bit of extra money. I don't have that many referrals, which is why I'm doing this video, but as just like a single user without many referrals, I'm able to make around $20 a month, and I'll get into it later, but they do pay through PayPal, check. Check takes a little longer. I think it takes about a couple of weeks to get a check, and I have gotten a check before, but I mainly get reimbursed through PayPal, and PayPal takes about a week or so to get it. So minimum payout is $10. Let me just actually access the site right now. So I'm going to be providing my referral link that you can input in your web browser or your mobile device to sign up through me in the program. So the URL that you're going to want to use is this right here, https://www.inboxdollars.com !RB equals 78064010 ampersand ref_src equals link. So once you put that in your browser and hit enter, that will take you to the sign up site, and you do get a free $5 bonus when you sign up. So that's already, just by signing up, you're halfway to the $10 payout level. And the $10 minimum payout, that doesn't mean you have to cash out at $10. I usually do, just to kind of keep the cash flow going. But if you want to wait, you can wait too. I think my brother waited until he had $100 and he cashed out. So this is how you'd sign up. You would enter your email address and your password, and then confirm the password and hit sign up. Sign me up. So what I'm going to do is, let's see if I can actually sign in here. So when you first sign up and log in, there's usually like a banner that pops up, and you can either click on that. Sometimes they have like offers and like special limited time things, but I usually cancel out of that. As you can see, I have $21.44 that I've earned. So this, I've been saving it up for a few weeks. I would say like 2.5, 3 weeks it took me to get to $21. So, and that's pretty much on my own. So when you go in here, you go to the home page and see this progress bar. Your progress goes up if you do a daily search, or you watch a video. Different tasks will increase this progress bar, and when you get to the end, you will have the ability to, there's like a scratch ticket that comes up. I'll show you. So the first $sign, these are like chance games. Actually, they're all chance games. You can win up to that much money. However, if you wait until all the way till the end for this one, you will win some money. So see, it says keep going. So that means you want to wait until to the end of the progress meter. And the last progress meter, you do actually win. You win at least a number of cents or $1 if you do a scratch. There's like a scratch ticket. So that's another way to bump up your earnings. But this is the home page. It shows you the latest offers here. Some of them, it shows you how much you earn if you sign up for those. The lower ones are easier to sign up and they're free. A lot of them are free. The ones that are like $80, that's you probably have to put down some money in this or like buy a credit card or something like that. But most of them are free and most of them are really easy to do, especially when you first sign up. There's going to be a bunch of offers for you to sign up for, free offers. So then you have your daily list. So this is like it shows you get like a certain bonus. Like if you do half of the daily list, you get a 5-cent bonus. And if you go all the way to the end, it's a 10-cent bonus. I know that doesn't sound like much, but it really does add up with this program. And then there's offers. You can sort it between 100% free, new offers. A lot of these are pretty easy to sign up for. Some of them are just surveys. Surveys is a good section to go into. I won't go into there now, at this point. But surveys are a great way to earn money, and surveys are free to take. You just have to get screened in the beginning, and then you can take a bunch of surveys. And some of them are even like product surveys. Like I got a bag of barbecue chips to try out. It's like a product test, and then you fill out a form and you send it in online, and they pay you for it just by eating potato chips. So, but the video section is really where I make the most on my own. They have automatic ads, so this is where you can watch ads. And so like a lot of these you have to watch about 15-20 ads, and then you get paid 2 cents. And again, that doesn't sound like much, but it really does add up throughout the day. Like if you're watching ads, you can have it open and watching them, and you can do other stuff, but you can also watch the ads. So, and then down here in the daily videos, like there's some that are a little easier to do. Instead of just watching the ads, you can actually click on them, and you can get paid. You can get paid to shop. They have everything on here. They have Walmart. They do have Amazon somewhere, I believe. And if you click into the shop now and you buy something at Macy's, then you get 2% cash back. So, there's a lot of stuff that you can do here. You can refer friends. You can play games. The games are great. Let me actually just show you this. There's a game that I really like playing on here. Candy Jam. This is kind of like Candy Crush, and I'm actually turn off the sound really quickly. Yeah, sorry, that's just my laptop. So if you click play, you just have to play the game. You don't have to win at the game, but the further you go in to the game, your progress meter will increase, and that'll cause you to earn more money. So I don't know. I think this game's pretty fun. It comes out good on my iPhone as well. So it's actually pretty fun to play this, and it's a good time waster, and you earn money by playing this. So yep. So I advanced another level. So every time you advance, your meter, see, it increased a little bit. Then you can also do the search. I already did my daily search. So let's say you just search. So what happens is, if you do 4 searches a day, then your weekly total increases. And if you get to 4, then you get a scratch ticket. So, again, ways to earn, increase your earnings. So, but anyways, I just want to show you a quick, overview of this. And if you want to cash out, you just click on your earnings. And see, I'm past the $10 minimum payout, so I can actually request cash right now. Actually, let me go and do that. So when you go to request, you have all the stuff that you can cash out on. You could do an Amazon gift card. They do have PayPal, which is what I do the most, is through PayPal. So see, it says I have $21. You just put your password in, and you get paid. And you have to have a verified PayPal account, which I will put the link, my referral link, to my PayPal account. So if you don't have a PayPal, you can sign up through me. So I will do that. But PayPal is by far and away the best payout method that I have seen. But so, anyways, I just want to give you a quick overview. I'll put the referral link to InboxDollars in the referral link to PayPal underneath the video in the description. So if you want to click on one of those links and sign up through there, please do. It's a really great site, and like I said, I've been a member for a while. I think this has been around since like 2002, and I've never not gotten paid. So this is like a legitimate site just to earn a little bit of extra money every month. You're not going to be earning millions of dollars with this, but there is a good referral program. And again, like I said, you can make like, $20 or $30 or $40 a month. I think everyone could use an extra $20, $30, $40 a month. You know what I mean? So anyways, just want to do a quick video on this. Again, the links are going to be in the description, and have a great Sunday.